it stunk so much that when it stinks, my mom gets coffee, like a coffee cup, or what's those called? Those like the flavors, or
just the Keurig coffee cups.
Okay, she pokes a hole through them and then smells it if it stinks. And she went in a store to see if they had some coffee, so she can buy some. Right now, I will sit on this bench. It's like a swinging bench, because I want to. Oh, this is scary. Oh, we're gonna do a beanbag, I guess. Beanbag. See? See the beanbag? That's for you. So we're going inside a store. See what there is. Kind of stinks in here too. Why? Sample. What's this? Can we have a sample? Don't touch everything.
Sure.
Yeah, I want a sample.
Got a different taste.
I'm going to try. It says it's a sample. Where's the regular? Okay. I'm going to try the regular.
Oh, actually, this is different.
Oh, I thought it was a stick.
Really?
Okay. Oh, this is like a bottle opener. It's hacked. Okay. Over here, I really don't know what that is. But you know what that is? It's a shirt. Yeah, it's a shirt. Up here, there's like a bow. It's kind of weird. Something right there. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is cute. It's a little pencil or pen. It's a pen. Ooh, look at these earrings. That's funny. These are like jelly in a bottle. And here's some more chocolates. Can I?
How about you getting this?
Oh, yeah. And this is Tabasco. And those are just stuff. This is, I don't know what that is. Over here is just Tabascos. A lot of Tabascos. Tabascos everywhere. Over here is a tobacco poncho. Look how big this is. Ooh, ooh. There's three. No, one, two. Oh, there's 7. So, okay, we're outside of the store. It's really behind me. Now, I really want to try the chocolate. I'm trying the chocolate. I think it's supposed to have spicy. It's dark chocolate. It's rich dark chocolate. So, I'm going to try it. So, I'm going to try the chocolate. Okay. Open it. In. Oh, I accidentally got 3. Let me put 2 back. So, I have the chocolate. I'm gonna try it. It tastes like regular chocolate. It's hard. Wow. Okay, I'm starting to get the spice. Wow. It's actually not that spicy. But if you're one of those people who doesn't like hotness, it would be really spicy to you. It's actually not that spicy. That chocolate was good. It was just dark chocolate. Oh, I'm sorry. This is fine. How is this happening? Okay, I'm actually on the street. It's hot. Okay, it's starting to get very hot. The chocolate. Well, now we might, I'm not sure. We go into that restaurant over there. Michelle, it's over there. I'm sorry. I need to stop. Okay, it's getting really hard to see. See that building over there? That's the restaurant. I'm gonna ask if we could go. Alligators. So now I see how I have that tree. Why I have that tree. Where you wanted to jump at the place. We're at the second part, and now we're going. I'm going to see someone named Buddha.
What do you see?
Stuff.
This
He's right there.
is Buddha.
So we gotta go. Pocahontas. Yeah, it kind of does. Look at the flowers. They're so pretty. Well, I'm not gonna touch them because they might be poisonous. Pretty hurts. No, that's actually pretty. There's like something over there, but we won't go over there. We'll go here. I see everything. I'm just listening. I'll go up here. There's lots of alligators over here. Whoa, it's kind of hard to walk. That was a big one. There's in there. I'll wait till my mom, dad, and sister and brother get here. Sorry, but we can't go inside. But oh, it's a she. He's right there. I can't see.
But there's a bug inside. There's bugs inside. How the bugs get in? There's a lizard inside. See that lizard over there?
Yep.
See it. They're everywhere. There's a bug. You see that bug?
They're all on the ground.
Wow. How'd they get in?
People leave money on the Buddha.
Yeah, there's money right there. I don't know why. Over here, that's a pretty view. I can't really see it, but it's pretty. Oh, I see. There's like a little bridge over there.
And right here.
Turn the phone off. I'm on a bridge. I'm kind of scared. It's just scary. Right there, it looks like you're gonna, if you step on it, it looks like you're walking on grass. But no, that is a pond right there. That's a pond. But right here, see the difference? Yeah. There's right there. Wait, I don't know. But there's just, you could fall and hurt yourself. It's dark out. We left the place,
Want some mac and cheese?
Avery Island.
Come here.
We might still be in Avery Island, I'm not sure, but we're still in Louisiana. We got food. See what I got?
And
I got pizza,
His nose.
fries, a pickle. The pickle just came with it. My brother got a macaroni and cheese and fries. They can't see. They couldn't see. And my sister got the same thing. And yeah.
All right, you do this thing. Relax.
We are this isn't really a restaurant. It's, well, kind of is. It's a store. No. It's a
Yes, he does. You want some
It's a hotel. But we're not going to sleep here. We're going to sleep somewhere else. Have a pickle. It tastes different than regular pickles.
Yes.
Yes, what?
Because somebody told me that Christmas has begun.
And these fries, they are really skinny. Look.
Just lets you know that Christmas has begun, everybody.
They're really good. Okay, I'm going to try the
the
pizza.
aint's losing?
I'm going to try it with the pepperoni.
No, I can't. I don't.
And
I
the
don't
people that know me very well, I don't like cheese.
Really?
Most people know, most people probably don't know that, but I don't like cheese. Okay, I am going to try.
I'm Mama. Mama. Allie's Mama. Look at her. She's looking at me because she loves me.
Okay, bye.
Did you just push me out of your video?
Oh, maybe. Okay, I'm going to try the pepperoni. I mean the pizza.
If you don't eat it, I'll eat it.
Mmm, it's very good. Wow, that tasted better than I was expecting. And my ice cream that we got.
It's actually pretty good.
It's good. I'm in Morgan City. This is my last stop, sadly, and we're going swimming. I've already been in the pool, as you can see, I'm wet, and so what I want you to do, like,